Hey there, fellow road warriors. Just rolling in to have a casual chat about something we all want to avoid. Those pesky Department of Transportation fines. You know, sometimes it feels like the fines just sneak up on us, but let's steer clear of them by being a step ahead. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important topics that can save time and money for transportation professionals. Now, just to sprinkle a bit of reality here, did you know that in 2020, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration slapped over 1 million violations on our brethren on the road? That's a number no one wants to be a part of, right? So let's dive into some common violations and how we can avoid them. First up on the list, we have logbook violations. We know maintaining an up-to-date logbook might seem a bit tedious, especially after a long day on the road, but it's essential to avoid those fines and, more importantly, to ensure safety. Make sure to record those hours accurately, folks. Now, moving along, we've got overweight fines. It can be tempting to load up just a bit more to save time, but it can lead to a hefty fine. Always keep an eye on those weight limits, because they sure are keeping an eye on us. Next up, speeding. We know that sometimes it feels like everyone else is flying by, but it's just not worth it to join the race. In fact, speeding is one of the top reasons for fines among commercial truck drivers. So let's keep it steady and safe, yeah. Oh, and let's not forget about the equipment violations. It might seem like a small thing, but a broken taillight or a missing mud flap can cost us. Regular checks can save us from burning a hole in our pockets. Now, this might seem obvious, but DUIs are a serious issue. In 2020, there were around 35,000 DUI violations handed out to commercial drivers. And we don't even need to tell you how severe the repercussions of a DUI can be, both financially and career-wise. Before we wrap this up, remember, pals, the aim here is to ensure that we all get to our destinations safely while avoiding those fines that can seriously hurt our pockets and our records. It's a tough job we do, but paying attention to these details can make a world of difference. For more information on DOT fines, please visit movingauthority.com. Or you can give our organization a phone call at 702-333-2430. Our third-party association has served as leaders in the trucking sector for over 20 years. Countless drivers and carriers depend on us to keep them in compliance with the government. Now, our team would love to hear from you. What do you think about the common fines mentioned in this video? Were you surprised to hear about any? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Also, if you operate as a household goods carrier, Moving Authority Association serves as national leaders for providing arbitration programs and moving tariff services. Contact us now for information about these carrier solutions. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to keep transportation professionals in year-round compliance.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.